I'm Sean Bailey. I work for General Parts. I'm a master certified technician, and I've been doing this for 19 years now. I am also going to be the trainer for the tech training program that they'll be starting up pretty soon. I really enjoy working with my hands, being out in the field, resolving problems for other people. You constantly, you fix something, you're constantly getting the satisfaction of something completed and also making somebody else happy. I mean, I couldn't tell you how many times you go into a place and this piece of equipment is down. It's a critical piece of equipment. You get it up and running and people are really grateful for it. I do HVAC, refrigeration, and cooking, so you never know what you're going to run into. One call can be an oven, and the next one you could be up on a roof working on a heater or an air conditioner. So there's always constant variety and keeps you busy. Anybody that's interested in how things work, mechanical aptitude, they like discovering things, that's looking for a career, not just a job, and is interested in learning. Likes to get out and do things, can work independently, but also will need to occasionally work with other people. So there's plenty of opportunity for growth. Within the company, they constantly have trainings from manufacturers. They'll come in with their equipment and do hands-on training for it. I started out as a technician in the company and have now gotten the opportunity to go into the training end of things. There's people that have moved up into the office if that's something that they're interested in. There's plenty of room to move around in the company. If you like to travel, there are locations around the country that you can move to within the company and still maintain your certifications. I think it's a great opportunity for people that don't have the chance to get into like a technical school or something. They can come in here and receive the training and actually get paid for it. Whereas they don't have to, you go to a technical college, you have to pay for it, and then it's, can I find a job in it? Well, you're hired on here when you come into the training. We pay you for the training. You get the chance to ride along with other technicians between the different classes, and it's all paid while you're doing it. I would say go for it. If you've got the basic knowledge, we'll train you on it. I absolutely love doing it. Wish I had started 20 years earlier. I just didn't have the opportunity at the time, and once it came out and I got into this, I just absolutely love it. Learn as much as you can. The more equipment that you familiarize yourself with, the more valuable you are to the company, and the easier, there's a lot of crossover from one piece of equipment to another or one component to another, and just different components may be used in different ways, and knowing the variety and that there is out there is just makes your job a lot easier too.